Hello, I'm Teacher Aki, and welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and like the videos. Thank you. Today, we will study about yes, it is, no, it isn't. Are you ready? Is it a goat? Yes, it is. Is it a horse? No, it isn't. It's a cow. Is it a duck? No, it isn't. It's a pig. Is it a sheep? Yes, it is. Is it a pig? No, it isn't. It's a horse. Is it a hen? Yes, it is. Is it a cow? No, it isn't. It's a duck. Is it a rooster? Yes, it is. It's your turn. Are you ready? Is it a goat? Is it a horse? Is it a duck? Is it a sheep? Is it a pig? Is it a hen? Is it a cow? Is it a rooster? Great job! You did it! Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like this video. Have a great day!